We begin tonight with the first COVID news conference by Governor Eric Holcomb in months.
Yeah, he joined state leaders in expressing frustration over surging cases and hospitalizations. News 8's Adam Pinsker begins our COVID team coverage.
Yeah, Jasmine, the state's chief medical officer, Dr. Lindsay Weaver, said the amount of people in hospitals is the highest it has been in 5 years. That is due to the Delta and the Omicron variants. The governor has extended the public health emergency until February 1st of 2022. The order will ensure that Indiana can continue to receive enhanced federal benefits such as Medicaid and food assistance to low-income residents. However, there will not be a statewide mask mandate. The state's health commissioner, Dr. Christina Box, says there is an increase in COVID cases among people 40 and under, as well as in children. Cases in children under 9 have increased from 3 to 10%. Governor Holcomb says he's frustrated with the amount of people not opting to take the vaccine.
How you would trust your ability to fight that off instead of trusting an American-made vaccine that is proven overwhelmingly statistically that is saving lives.
Unfortunately, nearly half of our eligible population is still unvaccinated against COVID-19. And of those who are fully vaccinated, just over 1/3 have received their booster dose.
The governor adds that the state has yet to receive any of the 500 million COVID testing kits that President Biden said would be delivered to states free of charge. Now, as for COVID treatments such as the Merck pill and antibody treatments, those are extremely limited due to high demand and low supply. Adam Pinsker, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
He could very simply clear it up and say very clearly, one sentence, I believe the numbers that come out of the Indiana State Department of Health. That's it. Those numbers are accurate. If there's any accusation otherwise, legal, that becomes legal very quickly, and he needs to get it to the Inspector General.
Governor Holcomb also took aim at Attorney General Tom Rokita. He there just asked about recent comments from Rokita questioning the state health department's COVID-19 data. And Holcomb said he was blindsided and stunned.
All right, well, here are some of those numbers from the state health department. We've got those for you. Oh, there they are. All right, so showing the latest county metric map shows 27 counties in red. That's where the highest spread is. That number is actually down from 35 counties last week. But hospitalizations increased today to 3,061, nearly matching how many Hoosiers were in the hospital with the virus on December 21st of last year.